Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Channel, if you guys have now any of those following vehicles, guys, Fiat 500, Chrysler 200 or Dodge, guys, ProMaster City, guys, with a 2.4 multi-air engine, and you're trying to replace your water pump, stay with us and we're going to show you what needs to be done. As you can see, the engine is out of this car. That same engine is used in all these three vehicles, guys, exactly the same engine. And we got the engine out not because you need to get the engine out to remove your water pump, guys. We removed the engine so we can, guys, show you how to do almost anything on that engine. We'll have more than 100 videos on that engine. We can show you with a great detail how to do things. Otherwise, it's practically impossible to show you with the camera. In addition, guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop. Our mission, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Let's explain now what needs to be done now in order to remove and replace the water pump. First, guys, before you guys remove your water pump, you will need to, guys, drain your coolant. Engine coolant, antifreeze, need to drain it completely. We have the video on the channel that explains how to do that. You have a radiator drain plug on the radiator, but you need to know how to do it. On cold engines only, you need to release the pressure before you start draining it by opening the radiator cap. Check the video, guys, very helpful video. After you drain your coolant, guys, okay, looking at the engine, okay, when you open the hood, you will face the engine this way. On the left hand side, okay, right here is where the serpentine belt is located, you can see. And on the serpentine belt, this is your water pump, guys, right here. That's the water pump pulley. If you need to buy any of the parts, guys, replacement parts or anything like that, coolant, we'll have the links in the description of the video below and you can see where we get them from for a good price. So 10mm, guys, wrench or socket. If the engine is in the vehicle, wrench will be more convenient. And you need to get these 3 bolts, guys, okay, loose. Do not remove them, no, just get them loose, guys. Okay, perfect. Now this is your serpentine belt tensioner, and the only way to remove the belt is to use a 16mm socket now, guys, and you need to go clockwise to compress the tensioner. And now we cannot pull the belt from the alternator. The only way to do it is through the idle pulley right here. Get the belt out, okay, just like that, and we can remove it. I would definitely recommend to install a new belt as well. We have the link in the description of the video below, guys, for your convenience. So now we're going to remove the 3 bolts with 10mm socket, and we can continue after that, okay, with the next step. Perfect. Now we just have a few more bolts, guys, to remove with a 12mm socket, and we'll be ready to pull that water pump out. Always make sure that you get, guys, new gasket as well, not just the water pump, the gasket too, because if you use the old gasket you can develop a leak. Okay, you can see quite tight. If you need the torque specs, we have the torque specs on the channel, check it out. Perfect. Now we can go ahead, guys. This is the only thing. Pump may be stuck. Wiggle it a little bit. You have 2 guides that will get loose, or you might pry it a little bit with a screwdriver. You have 1 guide here that goes on top right here, and 1 guide on the bottom that goes in the pump. Okay, and this is your water pump out of the car. You can see just like that. So that's how you guys remove it. Installation and putting it together, okay, practically, guys, in reverse order we took it apart. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you having that problem. Thank you. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We, guys, have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.